It's the last full day to register for the 7-Minute Reset Live. Link is in the bio. If your nervous system has been running the show, this is where you take some control back. I'll walk you through the entire 7-minute reset sequence, how to notice the 5-second reflex, and how to calm your body, how to choose your values instead of your fear. By tomorrow night, you'll have a repeatable process that you can use every time you feel like you're spiraling. Go sign up. The reset link is in the bio.